I have two FOMO purchases. And yes, I'm aware these are both illogical, fear of missing out purchases. And this is from the first drop, the multicolor / super flat collection. The reason why this took so long is because one of these items took close to 5 months to get here from the store, even when I paid in full. After the unboxing, I'll tell you if these are keepers or complete regrets. And at the end, I'll tell you my third FOMO item that I'm currently obsessing / lusting after. Come on now, do you think there's ever a time where I'm not FOMOing about something? Hi, this is Editing Craving Lux, and you're gonna watch me slip into FOMO and hopelessly try to get out of it a few times, so you've been warned. And back to the video. And now, my number one FOMO purchase. Unfortunately, no special packaging. It's the Panda card holder. So the classic one in the monogram is $280. And this one, the limited edition one, is $495. That's 75% more. And yup, it's pricey. So let's give her a twirl. So here, looks like they took another leather piece and stuck it. This feels like leather. I know this is canvas, but this, I don't think this is canvas. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful. I said in another video that I don't buy card holders because I don't use them. And when we stop using cards altogether, these card holders can't be repurposed for another purpose. And here we are. I love the Murakami Panda. But do I really need an LV piece at these prices? Of course not. So initially, this was an easy no, but I kept watching other people unbox it, and unbox it, and unbox it, and it was so cute. Am I missing out on this piece? Oh Lord, please help me. I put this on a wish list, and I was shocked that my SA was able to order it, but it took the longest time to get here. This took close to 5 months to get here. And during that time, I actually came to my senses, and I crawled out of my FOMO hole. I tried to cancel this, but my essay said that she can't because it's part of an order with 6 other items. So once it gets here, then I can return it. Don't get me wrong, I love this piece. I love that the panda is against the brown monogram, and a hint of pink at the top. Of all the card holders, in all the 3 drops, this is my favorite. But I know that I won't actually use this. The white part here will get dirty easily, and I know myself. This will end up as a display piece, and I promise myself no more keeping things for that purpose. So I'm returning this back to my essay so that it can make someone else's day. And the card holder needs to remain on my deal breakers list. And yeah, I need to stick to my deal breakers list so that I don't buy things I end up returning. So I'm sad to say I'm not keeping her. Do I want to? Yes, but I know I shouldn't because I won't use it. It's so pretty, look at that. It's so pretty. So as I'm watching me film myself, I'm going back and forth. This is so pretty. I really, really want to keep this, but I know I'm not going to use it. Am I the only person out there with FOMO confusion? Like, do I really want this? Or is this really the fear of missing out? I know I'm not going to use it, but I want to keep it. Oh no. I have to keep telling myself, I'm returning it. This gotta go back. I promised myself I'm not going to keep things I'm not going to use. I promised myself. I'm sorry you guys, but this is what it's like to be inside my head. These are my inner luxury demons. Keep it, don't keep it. Keep it, don't keep it. Oh, holy cow. It's so confusing. All right. Returning it. I promise myself. I'm not keeping things I'm not using. Okay. All right. On to the next one. All right. Number 2, FOMO purchase. It's the Panda Bandeau. Can you see a running theme here? Again, it's the panda got me in a FOMO chokehold. How cute is this? Look at this. And it's got all the characters. You got Mr. Panda here, and all the vibrant colors. And the flower person here. Look at that. Look how cute that is. So confused. I love it. And here is the onion head. Look at his head spinning. This actually is a good depiction of how I feel when I'm in FOMO. Look at that. And now the best part. The panda's behind. I can't believe that I said panda's behind on this channel, but here it is. Look how cute that is. Everyone's best part. And I just realized that there's circles here, and I've got circles all over my dress. Look at that. Synergy. I got this from StockX, not a sponsored video, and I was surprised that when you buy new items on StockX, that the box is not included. So this came in a plastic pouch, and that is disappointing because I paid over retail price for this. The retail price is $260, and I paid $330, which is 26.5% more. And StockX charges processing fees, so after taxes and shipping, this was $383.27. Oof, that wasn't cheap. Initially, this was an easy no because I don't like the colorful stripes at the bottom. I think the stripes are unnecessary and it makes it harder to style. But then I watched Rachel Went Shopping and she pointed out that this is wider than the normal bandeau. So this is 3 inches wide and the regular one is 2 inches wide. And then I saw Hey June and she wore this as a belt. She rocked it. So then my inner LV addict said, this is it. This is so versatile. This is the panda piece that you want. Isn't it so obvious? So I placed a bid on StockX, and here we are. This is my first LV bandeau. Most LV bandeaus have too much going on. One side is one color, and the back side is another color. And that I don't like. I prefer that both sides have the same color, like this. And this, being mostly brown, I can put this on my monogram canvas pieces, on the bags, and my accessories, to have a matchy-matchy moment. And all these characters make it so much fun. But now that I have it in my hands, wearing this as a belt is not my personal style. June can pull it off, but I can't. And I could wear this as a headband, but would I? I'm not sure about that. I tried to put this on my niece BB on the handle because there's too much vachetta to protect it from all the water stains. And it just doesn't look right. It just looks too wide. I think the thinner one would have been better. And that is sometimes just how it goes. Oh. Because most of my monogram bags are on the smaller side, I would actually prefer this in a thinner bandeau, the 2 inches, the regular size. So I bought this because it's the wider size. It turns out that for me, the thinner one would be better. Oh man. So when you buy from StockX, you can't return it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to resell it. It's an extra step. So far, I haven't found a use for it, so I'm 90% sure I'm gonna sell it. But it can take some time because I won't resell it at a lower price. I'm not gonna take a loss. So please, don't ask me on this video if I would be willing to sell it under what I paid for it. And I paid $383.27. This is not a vlog sale, but I know someone's going to ask me that question. So the answer is no thank you. So what's the third FOMO item that I want to buy? To no one's surprise, I still want a panda piece. And I think the one, for the third time, could be the panda passport cover, which is not sold in the US. It was sold in other countries. And because it's not sold in the US, the resale price is completely bananas. I assume that the price for this is the same price as the multicolored passport cover. So it should be, I think, around $475. And I saw it as low as $830, which is 75% more. But I thought this Bandeau would scratch that panda itch for me for $330, and it's so much more versatile than the passport cover. Blah, 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 blah. And I was so wrong. I was so wrong, you guys. Oh my God, I was so wrong. And right now, the passport cover is going for, wait for it, $1,053. Oh my god, you guys, hilarious! Price is friggin' crazy! And I guess, don't hate the player, hate the game. That is just way, way too much. So yeah, this item got me in a third Panda FOMO chokehold. I hope I can find this piece soon so I can stop obsessing about it. You guys, being in this FOMO hole is exhausting. It really is. Like, please help me. Help me find this piece for a reasonable price so I can get out of this FOMO hole. Please. Yeah. It is what it is. This channel is called Craving Lux for a reason. I'm constantly obsessed with something, right? And craving sounds better than obsessing, right? Yeah. So we'll go with that. Right. So tell me, did you make any FOMO purchases? Or tell me about items that got you on a FOMO chokehold. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.